Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: paper loaded, ink or toner sufficient, and the printer is online. Next, open the PDF in a stable viewer, Adobe Reader or a modern browser, because rendering affects clarity. Once open, immediately check page size and orientation. Select a 4 or letter as required. Make sure scaling is set to 100% or actual size so the viewer does not resample. This first setup prevents blurry or cropped output and saves time later. Now adjust print settings for optimal clarity. Choose the highest DPI your printer supports, 600 DPI or more, because resolution determines sharpness. If fonts or embedded images render poorly, toggle Print as Image as a fallback, though it may increase job size. Disable any automatic fit to page or scaling options. Set scaling to 100% to avoid resampling. Make sure color handling is accurate. Use printer-managed color for photos or PDF-managed for documents. Before sending a full job, use Print Preview to verify margins, text sharpness, and page breaks. This saves paper and time. Print one test page to confirm output matches the preview. If the test is fuzzy, update the printer driver. Check the PDF export quality, fonts embedded, images saved at high resolution, or open the file in another viewer. Also try printing to PDF first to normalize the file. These steps finish the process and provide one key troubleshooting tip to fix common clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.